Are you feeling frozen at the idea that you could succeed as a competent and capable Ayurvedic healer? I hear you. I've had clients that completed studies in Ayurveda before they came to us that didn't prepare them to start practicing. How do you find the right school to walk you step by step from exactly where you are to success? In the next few minutes, let's walk through what we're going to do together over the next 1 to 3 years so you can go from newbie to professional Ayurvedic health counselor or advisor. These are things that are going to transform you from an amateur into a professional that everyone will want to work with. Hi, my name is Myra Lewin, and I'm the founder of Hale, Pule, Ayurveda and Yoga, where I've taught over 10,000 people how to live symptom-free and feel fabulous with holistic natural practices. These are things that are critical to have when you want to be an effective guide for others. First, your training must embrace the body, mind, and spirit, and it must include principles from yoga to be true to the holistic roots of Ayurveda. This deep and beautiful remembering of humans as part of nature, a deep knowing beyond the intellect, it can only be transmitted to the extent that your teachers are experienced, living what they're teaching and actively practicing themselves. There are 3 essential skill sets that you need. One is to live it yourself. We like to call this embodying the practices. You don't just learn it, but live it. This goes well beyond book learning, beyond the academic approach. So this experiential learning is the foundation of our trainings. Embodying Ayurveda to whatever extent you're able to at the time will allow you to know the extent of your offering. Straight away, we guide you to implement the practices of Ayurveda and yoga into your daily life so that you can experience the benefits for yourself, but also experiencing what you're going to ask other people to do. And this doesn't mean that you need to do it all perfectly. And this is a big block for some people. Who am I to guide others if I'm not doing it perfectly? Well, don't let perfectionism hold you back, or you may never start. Being new at something is a great place to be. Start and allow yourself to grow. We all practice. In our trainings, you develop your personal practice and your skills along with deep understanding. And this is why we're all practicing Ayurveda. Life is a practice. Secondly, apply the principles. Ayurveda is based on unchanging principles of nature. When you understand the principles and how they work, then you'll have the ability to assess any situation and offer a solution. You can't learn enough to be ready for all of the possible issues that you'll encounter as you work with people. And things can look complex on the surface, and it can be easy to get lost in the details, especially with how we've been trained to think in the Western world, isolating every little detail. In our trainings, we teach you the principles of nature and how to recognize them and apply the practices of Ayurveda to move toward a state of balance. And when you understand the principles, you can always see a way forward for your client. And third, follow the framework. Ayurveda is a vast science. It is life. You don't need to know all of it. I've been learning and teaching and practicing for over 30 years and still learning every day. We have a clear method for applying Ayurveda in the modern world, and it's what I've found works really well for thousands of people. And this is what we teach in our Ayurveda trainings. We keep things simple and practical. We focus on the holistic approach, which means learning to see how everything is connected and affects everything else. And we teach our students to become great educators and counselors, which means being observant and working with the current condition of clients while guiding them and empowering them to participate in their own healing process. So rather than just prescribing herbs or a list of foods without giving any context for what's happening or the solution. And unfortunately, this is what a lot of people are doing these days in Ayurveda. And it doesn't work very well. Clients are left disempowered and dependent on their practitioner, or just not knowing. When you work with clients, your role is to gently guide them to understand what they're doing that's causing the problems they're experiencing. You don't help them. Rather, you guide them to discover themselves so they can make choices from an empowered place. You guide them to understand the root cause, and then to see how making simple changes brings great healing. And this process is empowering for your clients. And it works long term. And your training has to be practical and applied throughout. So at Hale Pule, all the way through, you get personal feedback and support on all of your assignments. In our 600-hour training, you'll have an additional capstone of 20 case evaluations so that you can see exactly how what you're learning applies in real life. People who study Ayurveda with Hale Pule are truly prepared and ready. They become sought-after healers.